If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, how's it going everybody? I'm Larry Barones here in Fort Worth, Texas, and welcome each and every one of you. I'm kind of pumped and excited today because I've got a lot of information I want to share to all you folks out there. So listen up, pull up a chair, relax, take it easy, hang with me. Alright, first of all, I want to remind everybody that Sunday, tomorrow is the 19th at 1 p.m. Central Time, I'm going to have a very special guest from the Netherlands. And used Appelboom from Appelboom stores in the Netherlands, and he has one that opened up in Boston, and I believe he might have others, but we'll find that out tomorrow. So if you can join me, come on, and this way you can meet Mr. Appelboom, and you can get to know him, ask him questions, and we can just have a lot of fun, because it's going to be a very cool, fun time with Youth Appelboom. I've been waiting for this for quite a while, and we finally got on the same page, and it's on. All right, moving on. We have some more news to you. Now, I've been working on a special project, and it's taken me time to put this together. It's not something that I just throw in on a video and put it out there. I don't work that way. My jam doesn't spread that way. It's got to spread nice and smooth. I've been working on a certain ink. An ink, in my opinion, that doesn't get enough love. It should get more love than what it is getting, because the inks, I mean, they're just beautiful colors of inks, and the colors pop. They stand out. I mean, you could feel the inks going through your veins. If you're an ink person, you know what I mean. When you really like a certain ink, you really get into it and you enjoy writing it, and you put that in one of your favorite pens. I mean, you got a really favorite ink and you got a favorite pen, and you put them together and you're putting them on a favorite piece of paper. Man, that's like putting honey on jam. Double sweetness, baby. Bam. So like I said, the process has been ongoing, and I'm still waiting for some more products to come in, but I think I'm going to start very soon on what I have on hand. But what is the ink I'm talking about? Okay. Bam! Right there. Yep. Now you see it. Robert Oyster inks. Yep. This is what I'm talking about. So, real quick, I want you to enjoy the introduction that I have planned for the Robert Oyster inks, and I hope you enjoy it. And then I will be doing the different colors of inks as they come in, and I will be talking about the inks and letting you see how they look on paper. And I'll use a little Q-tip, do a little swish there with it, and I'll do a little handwriting sample, because some people say a handwriting sample looks different than when I do the little, with the Q-tip, squish on the, you know, see how what it is. I said, well, we really can't tell the difference because you don't do writing samples. Very strange. So I'll do both. So I'm excited. I'm pumped about it, because we're talking about some serious ink that's made in Australia. Okay. You know, Robert Oyster is well known, and he should be. I think he's made himself recognizable for all the hard work that he's done. And why? Well, Mr. Oyster is an ink enthusiast just like we all are. He puts his heart and soul in it. This represents his name. So he's got to be on the spot. Oh, I'm sure there's inks out there that some of you may not like. That's quite okay. I can dig that. Because we're all are different. We have different choices of inks. The color, are they this, are they that? Too loud, too dark, blah, blah. Okay, that's cool. You know, and we have different opinions, but that's all right. But Mr. Oyster brings a whole lot to the table. And I am going to be honored to do this ink. This is my baby right here. And I mean, I've been seeing on Facebook some incredible inks that he's coming out with more and more. And, you know, the more you see, the more you want. And, you know, I don't need any more inks, but you see these colors, and they're just so beautiful. They're just so awesome. I want it. I need it. I got to have it. Oh, yeah, that's a must. How did I miss that? So here we go, accumulating. So, hope you are ready when I bring on the Oyster inks for you. I'm going to have a blast. It's going to be like dynamite, baby. You know, we're going to be rocking and rolling with some upper end inks at a, I think, very affordable price. You get a nice sized bottle of ink at a very affordable price. So, folks, join me when I do the Oyster inks reviews, okay? Come see me. Check it out. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't you think it's time to? You've waited too long. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that little bell so you can notify you when I put on some new videos. Right? Can you dig that? Cool. You can do this. So, that's going to be it for now. So, remember, tomorrow is Sunday, the 19th of September at 1 p.m. Central Time. Join me and my special guest, Joost Appelboom from the Netherlands. I am excited. Well, anytime I have a guest, I'm excited. But this gentleman, I've been doing business with him since 2015. And, man, he is Johnny on the spot. He is awesome. So, with that said, are you ready? Let's get ready for tomorrow. And let's give him a good welcome to the U.S. Peace, my friends, and lots of love and all these kind of hugs to each and every one of you. You are so dynamite! But can you dig it? All right, yes, well, it's time to go. Be kind to a stranger, my friends, for real. Be kind. And as always, don't text and drive. Later. Bye-bye.